We are re-seasoning the Dutch oven and pan that we are using for today.
Veiling the meat that is already seasoned. It's been seasoned and sitting for about an hour. That's the seasoning. You'll see the seasoning, but that's the main one, the blackened steak. And coals are going. We got a cast iron pot over there getting hot. Gonna add some veggies to it to kind of start roasting. And we're gonna get this on. Touch it up just a tad. You can never have too much, in my eyes. Alright, it'll go for a few hours and then it'll end up going in the pot. Okay, the roast is going. It's getting there, as always. This is some beef base. I'm adding water to it. I'm not sure if I will use all of this. This will be our stock.
Not the stock, as I said last time.
Put in the pot. Give it a little stir. And it will go over here to heat up. To cutting. I'm putting a little avocado oil in the pot, and once I get the veggies cut up, they'll go in. Already got the garlic peeled because that's a pain in the butt. We're just gonna, nothing special, just loose chop. Yes, I'm using my Blackstone knife or my backyard knife. I'm not gonna lie, I almost took the tip of my finger off right there. Do not try this at home. I am a professional.
Don't worry, if he cuts his finger off, we'll put it on something.
I'm half Puerto Rican, so it'll just be seasoned with black flavors. Like I said, nice rough chop. Alright, some of this is going to go into the pot. And I'll probably put it all in the pot.
Yeah.
That get going while we cut the rest. Throw in an onion. It's a rather large onion. It all is not going in the pot chopped up. I'm cutting that off and that off. Follow me. Move the garlic off to the sides. These are going in as so, and I will rest the roast right on top of it. This onion will go in the pot. quality control. Good onion. Alright, I have a few celery stalks we're going to use. Dramatic effect. I'm not cutting them super thin. Good celery. Don't mind that bag. Now we're doing our homegrown, picked this morning carrots. Just do a rough chop on them. Again, quality control. Good to go. I'm not going to show you all of them because there's just too many, but you get the idea. We will be adding more.
We'll cut some more in the pot.
We're going to have more than one potato, but I'm only cutting one right now, so that way it's not super long of just potato cutting.
We learned that from our first video.
Yes. Cutting wood. It's ridiculous. Alright, we'll put this one in. And we'll cut the rest and show you that. Alright, it's going. Alright, a little bit of smoke. We are at right around 140 there. 45. Outside should be more. 140. Alright. That's where I want it to be. Now, that's done like that. Going in the pot. I will cut the rest of the veggies and get those in with it. Alright, I am putting some of our stock in there. I guess we'll use it all. May need to make more. Not sure. First time doing this. Can never go wrong with some liquid butter. Because butter is life. And without butter, there's no point to living.
Alright, we put the rest of the potatoes and carrots in, and we're gonna let it cook for a little bit. We'll probably be back in a few minutes.
That is where our Brussels sprouts are going. Give our roast a check. Oh yeah. It's going. It's getting there. Now we're going to get in our Brussels sprouts. A little avocado oil. Butter. These are fresh Brussels sprouts that I forage from the Myers Woods. They're going in. A little salt. A little pepper. Add a bit more butter. And I'm going to let them go for a few minutes, and then I'll probably move them down directly on top of the coals. That's what we want to see, nice and crispy. Oh, that's going to be a good one. That's the money one right there. Right there. We prefer a little more crispy sprout. Where our youngest, you know, Bugs Corner guy, he likes his more boiled.
Is it balling or is it falling?
It's balling.
I'm balling. Ball Stitch, is it balling or is it falling?
I'm balling.